And now this is one of the most exciting features, which is content. This is the bottleneck with a lot of B2B marketing teams is, hey, I have limited resources to push out content and I have a million requests from different departments. Like I have this product launch, PlayerZero, I want to make a big splash in the market. A content developer is a way to rapidly develop content for your campaign in minutes rather than in days. So you can drastically reduce the amount of time it takes to prepare for your marketing campaigns, for your product launches. So here, I'm gonna just use the software to develop a press release. I wanna make a big splash in the market, an introduction. So here we've got PlayerZero is the first end-to-end platform that creates customer performance signals to releases. So this is our product description that I've chosen Victor, the VP of product. So I put his buyer persona here in the audience, so it'll remember that.
Awesome.
For tone, let's make this more thought leadership as opposed to conversational, since this is a big splash. We have the option to put in our own inputs, but for now, let's just keep it high level and we click generate content. And here's the press release that it came up with. So
let's see here. No, this is really well done. It even follows the format perfectly there.
Yeah.
You could pay a PR team a lot to make one of these.
Right. So here it's emphasizing how you propel product leaders to new heights with your product performance correlation, which was a differentiator. And it suggests a quote for your CEO. So it has some placeholders. So you can enter in your own quotes, you can refine this, you can insert your own company name, and it's very curated as an experience, very little editing on your part. But if you want to edit, we have enhanced copy. So you can enter, hey, use these keywords or change the tone, remove this, enter my company description, and it will make those changes for you. But let's say you want to take this and you have other assets for your marketing campaign. Let's say you want to do a LinkedIn. It's this easy as clicking LinkedIn posts. Same topic, same audience, same tone. Generate content for me. In 30 seconds, you'll have 3 LinkedIn posts that you can use. It's really fast.
My only feedback is maybe some waiting music.
That's a good idea, actually. Oh, and here we go. It's already done.
I want to give you versions too.
Just to improve quality. So really starting with the main point. Let's just test this. Are there any changes you'd want to put to this, Max, or anything that you're like, hey,
let's, instead of you, maybe if you're a product leader, something to that effect.
Use like a product leader.
More formal tone would be a way.
There we go. To be more high level, don't use you. Let's see what it does. Here we put in your changes, it's refining the tone, and it'll be ready in a minute. But this makes copy editing really a breeze, because in the past, you and I have design could take a week to draft the initial version, and then you have a copy editor, copywriter, or people on your team, subject matter experts review it, and then you get their input, and then that might take another week to refine. So this really accelerates the process, so you do it in minutes instead of weeks.
Oh,
here we go. Much more formal tone and the capacity of the product.
And we still got 3 options, which I love. Gives you the opportunity to kind of mix and match.
You can mix and match if you can for you. So let's see this is LinkedIn posts for PlayerZero by Max, and we can save that for later. And let's say we wanted to do a Facebook post now, or an email nurture program. We just make one button, press, and in 30 seconds it'll have that. Going rapid fire. Get all the content for your go-to-market.
Knock a whole month out in a day, right? I mean, if you're working at an agency or something, I can see this being such a huge time saver if you're working on 4 or 5 different accounts.
So imagine if with one marketing person, you can cover 5 times as much work. Like, what could your company do with that? And here we go. Here's the Facebook post version. So there's a different recipe for each one.